For Mother's Day, why don't you make it this easy, cuddly polar fleece blanket that requires no sewing. We have a new range of printed polar fleece that you can choose from. Handy tip. When pulled gently along the grain, the polar fleece will curl towards the wrong side. Line printed polar fleece and plain polar fleece together with the right side facing the outside. Trim selvage. Pin the two polar fleece together to help it stay in place. Use Sullivan's quilter's ruler to cut 6-inch squares out of the corners. Cut 1-inch strips 1 inch wide along the 4 sides. Use a marker to rule this out and then cut. Tie the two pieces of polar fleece together in a knot by looping it through and pushing it upwards. Finish tying all the knots on all 4 sides of the blanket. Remove pins you used to hold the polar fleece in place.